Today I'm going to be explaining a Pareto chart, which is helpful when you have a lot of issues and you're trying to figure out how best to resolve those issues and dedicate your resources when you have limited um, amount of money or personnel to address an issue. So it's actually a chart, and on one side you're going to have the percentage of issues. So you start with 100 at the top and then divide it into as many increments as you would like. Um, just for basic, you could go right to 50 and then 0 at the bottom to give you an idea. Well, on the other side, the other axis is going to be the number of issues you have. So this will be entirely dependent on how much data you're working with. If you have about 20 issues, then you would break it down to somewhere below then, because all of your issues are going to be broken up into categories. So each type of issue is going to have its own separate bar on this bar graph. A Pareto chart is both a bar graph and a line graph at the same time. So you're going to organize your issues by bars in order of frequency. So the number of issues you have the most problems with will go in your first category along to the axis of frequency, and then from there on you're going to list them in order of lesser value. And then the whole rule behind the Pareto chart is that 20% of issues drive 80% of your problem. So if you draw a line going from the bottom axis up towards the top of your percentage axis, then you're going to find that whatever is above that line, above that 80%, that top 20 usually is what people will focus on. Addressing that is going to solve a lot of your problem, and then you can reorient and redo the graph and then address new resources and new solutions to that new top 20%. But it's a very good way of distributing limited resources to fix issues in the most effective and efficient way possible. Thank you.